My name is Saara Ibrahim. I came to live in Cardiff 2014 and I work in third sector organization in Cardiff. I got involved in work of committee when I was work with South Riverside Community Center, and they run project with the Bevan Foundation, and they have inquired about different issues in the community, and one of them they inquired about the gender-based violence against women, and especially we concentrate in migrant women who experience domestic violence. Gender-based violence is something I'm passionate about, and I work with different communities, especially minority ethnic group community, and I know what migrant women face in terms of domestic violence, in terms of isolation, and some of them they have no recourse for public funds, and so this is very important issue for me. I share my ideas and my views with the committee, and I felt empowered and also confident that I can share my ideas. For me as a woman who believe also in gender equity and in women empowerment, this is very crucial for me. And I think this is amazing experience for me, and I learned a lot, and I learned how the citizen can engage with policy maker. It encouraged me to participate more in such a discussion, focus group discussion. And also now, one day I am thinking to start a master degree in social policy, which I am passionate about also for a long time. And this experience showed me how the democracy here in Wales and how we link the grassroots community organization in micro level with the macro level, the people in decision making. I encourage all the people from minority ethnic background, Black and Caribbean, Afro-Caribbean community to engage with Senedd. And it is very important for people to highlight their views, their ideas, their experience, so that will help Senedd also understand what is happening in the ground and shape the future of Wales.